Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. I am currently in sunny Barcelona, which is why I look a bit tanned and the setting looks a bit different. But yeah, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a how to achieve the clean look that everyone's talking about. I've seen it a lot on TikTok and I feel like that is my thing. I love a clean look, very simple but still effective. I've been doing it for a while, so I'm going to share with you what I do that helps me achieve that look. Also guys, I have not forgotten about the giveaway I posted on my community tab. I will let you know who won the giveaway at the end of the video, so if you did participate then stay tuned till the end to find out if you have won. So yeah, let's just get right into it. First step is, of course, wash. Wash your face, wash your skin, because you need to have a good foundation when you want to achieve a clean look. You actually need clean skin. I've already washed my skin, but my favorite morning moisturizer right now is the Inky List Oats cleansing balm. I absolutely love this. I use this morning and night, and then my second cleanser on top of that at night. But this is so good. It's very gentle in the morning, and then after that I go in with the rest of my skincare, like my acids, my serums, my moisturizer, SPF. So I'm just going to quickly do that. I'll list all the products I use down below. The key for me right now is using a really good SPF that isn't mattifying. This La Roche-Posay one is one of my favorites. It's a gel, so it leaves my skin looking clean already. After I've used all of those products, it just kind of sets everything and it still looks really healthy and nice. Next thing I do is I go in with a primer. Right now I only have this one and another one, but I usually go in with a shimmer or a mattifying one anyway. Then I'm going to go in with a illuminating one because that's just what I'm going for today. Usually I don't do this step, but today I'm going to use a foundation or tinted moisturizer just to even out my complexion because I've tanned a bit. I just want to like even it all out because I didn't tan my face, but I tanned my body. But usually I just take a concealer and just spot conceal, or just under my eye and like on the highlights of my face. But yeah, today I'm going to do it a bit differently. I'm going to use the Gucci Natural Finish Fluid Foundation. It looks a bit dark, but it's not this dark when I apply it. I'm going to take such a small amount because you honestly need such a little amount and I don't want it to look heavy, so I'm just going to keep it really light. I'm just focusing this on the center of my face. It's almost like a watery consistency, so it's very sheer, very light, and I really like this foundation. We want to keep it sheer, clean, and we don't want to look cakey, so we're just going to use a small amount. If you have a heavy foundation, maybe you mix it in with some moisturizer, serum or something to like lighten it up. I literally use not even a pump of that foundation and it's covered my whole face. So yeah, it's definitely worth the money for me. I am also going to conceal today with a very sheer, probably the sheerest concealer I've ever used, the Fenty Beauty Eye Brightener. This one is honestly, doesn't really do much concealing, it more brightens your eye, and that's kind of what I want today. So yeah, I'm going to take it in the shade Butter under my eyes and wherever I need it. Your fingers are also your best friend for this. They literally work so well when you're trying to do the clean look because they just diffuse everything so nicely. This may not look like it's doing anything, but it genuinely is. It's brightened up my eye. Again, it's not concealing any darkness. I don't really want it to, but it's definitely like brought some dimension into my face, I think. So I'm gonna skip contour today because I feel like that's not really the focus of a clean look. It's more about looking fresh, looking clean. So I'm gonna just go straight into blush. I've really been obsessed with this Pixie On The Glow blush. It's honestly so practical. If you watched one of the first videos I ever did on YouTube, I used the highlighter version of this, and that was amazing. So when I saw this, I was just like, I know I'm gonna like it. So I actually like to take this on the brush first because I feel like I have more control like that. And then tap it on my hand, see what the distribution is saying. And then keep doing that until I have enough product. And then I just distribute it quite freely across my face. Just like this. Across my nose because we do get kind of burnt on our nose. So put it on there as well. As we all know by now, I like to load up on my blush, so I'm gonna keep going. Feel free to stop whenever you feel like there's enough, but I'm gonna keep doing me. For eyebrows, I'm just gonna take a gel, keep it very, very natural. For this look, I like to skip mascara and eyeshadow and stuff because I feel like it kind of makes it look heavy, it makes it very obvious, and I think it really just doesn't look right with it. So I'm just gonna move straight onto lips, and what I like to do is I like to take a nude or a lip color that is quite similar to mine if I'm not using a gloss. So I really like the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner because I feel like that's quite a close shade to my natural color. So I'm just gonna like roughly lip line around my lip. I mean, this step is very extra because it's like the same shade, but I like feeling like I have a bit more structure on my lips. And then for my actual lips, I like to either take a clear gloss. I love this Tower 28 lip gloss so much. Or I like to take a tinted one, but it's quite sheer. It's not like a really heavy tint. This Honest Beauty one is honestly so nice. It's one of my favorites as well. So I'll pick either one of these. Today I think I'm gonna go for the Honest Beauty one to add some like a little bit of color to my lips. These lip glosses have like vitamin C in it as well. Like they're very good for your lips as well, not just look pretty, which is why I really like them. And then I'll just set everything in place. I'm using the Fenty Beauty. Look how little it is, it's so cute. And then so for my hair, usually what I do is I have it up in some way, braid, ponytail, bun, whatever way I feel like having it, it's just somehow up. So that's what I'm gonna do today, just get it out of my face because I think it just looks really clean when your hair is just not in your face. So I'm just gonna quickly do that and I'll be right back to finish off everything. Okay, so my hair is all done. It's up in a side parting bun situation, which I love doing. So next is accessories. I love a gold hoop. I have 2 piercings. One I can't take out, so I only have room to wear 1 extra earring. I love a gold hoop, like a little gold earring. I don't wear silver. Silver just doesn't look nice on my complexion, I don't think. So I love a gold hoop. I don't actually have a specific place where I buy my jewelry or my earrings from. Usually I just get it from this shop that I found in Westfield. I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna remember what they're called and I'm gonna write it down below, but their earrings are very cute. Or I just get them from like H&M. H&M has really good ones. Or ASOS as well. But my actual piercing is from Astrid. I got a few piercings from them. They're very good quality and I'd recommend them if you've just got your earrings pierced as well. So yeah, this is the little hoop situation, very subtle but still adds a little something. And then final step, which is my favorite step in a routine, in a get ready with me, it is perfume, and I love a good scent. During the day I like a clean scent. I've kind of grown into florals, very subtle florals, not heavy ones. Then at night I like a masculine, like leathery, musky kind of smell. But my current favorite that I brought with me to Barcelona, it is the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle in the intense, not the normal one. I always usually prefer intense versions of perfumes, and this one is just so nice and elegant, fresh, floral. It's just really nice on the skin, on my skin at least. So yeah, that was my little routine on how I achieved the clean look that's going viral on TikTok. So the winner of the giveaway, I'm going to put the name on screen in 3, 2, 1. You have won the giveaway. Congratulations. Thank you all for participating in the giveaway as well. I'll be doing another one very soon once we hit 100k, so don't you worry. But yeah, I'll be in contact with the winner, or you can contact me as well. I will reach out to you as best as I can and we can go from there. But thank you all so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video.